U.S. stocks ended lower on Monday after a 5-week rally as investors turned cautious ahead of jobs data this week that could alter expectations about when the Federal Reserve might cut interest rates. The Dow dipped 0.1%, the S&P 500 shed 0.5%, and the Nasdaq lost more than 0.8. Traders widely expect the central bank to keep rates unchanged at its meeting next week, as does Kevin Mon, president and chief investment officer at Hennion and Walsh Asset Management, who believes one more rate hike is enough to push the economy into a recession.
However, if they stop here, keep rates where they are for the first 2 quarters of next year, navigate through this expected economic slowdown, and then start to cut interest rates towards the second half of the year, not only could they actually navigate a soft landing, but that could lead into an ultimate economic recovery and good returns for both stock and bond markets over the next 3 years when interest rates are forecasted to come down by nearly 3% by the Federal Reserve's own projections.
In company news, shares of Alaska Air tumbled 14% after the carrier said on Sunday it would acquire the parent company of peer Hawaiian Airlines for $1.9 billion, including debt. Shares of Hawaiian Holdings nearly tripled in value. Shares of cryptocurrency firms such as Coinbase Global, Riot Platforms, and Marathon Digital rallied between 5 and 9% after Bitcoin crossed $42,000 for the first time since early 2022. Megacaps Microsoft, Apple, Nvidia, and Amazon all lost ground, but shares of ride-hailing service Uber Technologies rose more than 2% after an announcement on Friday it will join the S&P 500 effective December 18th.